All right, guys, it's your boy Coach One Stack, man, with One Stack Fitness. Now, I told you guys I'm gonna show you how to eat, sleep, drink, just feed on all this stuff, man, to have that good body transformation. And eating is a big part, man. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And why is that? Breakfast means to break your fast. That means you've been fasting all night, people. When you wake up in the morning, you should have stopped eating around 6 or 7 o'clock. That means when you get up, your body is in a fasted state and your blood sugar is low. So we need our blood sugar level to kind of come up a little bit so we're not tired, we don't have headaches, we don't feel all groggy and stuff. And how do we do that? We eat breakfast. Now, a lot of you gonna tell me, hey, Coach, man, I don't eat breakfast. Well, that's where you're dead wrong. Breakfast is not only the most important meal of the day, but it also sets the tone for your metabolism to start moving at a faster rate for you to start burning these calories. See, what a lot of you don't realize is in order to transform your body, you do need to eat more. That's yeah, guys, you got to eat more. I know some of you guys thought that when you go on these crash diets and you only eat a few things, yeah, you're going to lose a little water weight, but not only are you going to gain that weight back, but you're going to gain more weight back than you lost. So the thing is, over here at One Stack Fitness, we don't do diets. We do not do diets because diets are temporary. The way that we're living is for life. This is a lifestyle change. Everything that I am teaching you guys and I am showing you guys, you can do this for the rest of your life. But breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So now, it's said that you should always eat 5 to 6 small meals a day. Well, if you haven't been eating one meal a day, it's pretty likely you're not going to be able to eat 5 or 6, right? So now you have to start off with one, that being breakfast. And the thing is, what I like to do, I like to eat some good old-fashioned oatmeal. Now, see, not the oatmeal that you guys eat with the brown sugar and the apples in it, just good old-fashioned Quaker oats. So I like to measure them. Boom. I got a half a cup of oatmeal right there, guys. This half a cup of oatmeal is not only a good carb, but a great source of fiber. And by having this good fiber, going through your system, makes it a little bit easier when you got to go to the bathroom. See, when you start making this change and you start eating these different things and drinking more water, it's going to make you more regular. But the more fiber that you eat, the better off you're going to feel. And also, this good carb fills you up. This ain't a bad carb like your candy, your white rice, your flour, your pasta and things of that nature. This is a carb that will fill you up. And, and it's good for your body because remember, your body do need carbohydrates for your muscle. Remember, carbohydrate. Your carbohydrate is what hydrates your muscle. Your carbs is what makes your muscles bigger. It's what keeps water in your muscles. This is why when you see people who have weight loss surgery, their body looks flat and flabby. Why? Because they have cut away all their carbs. To be quite honest with you, I'm going to teach you guys how to count your calories on another video. And here's the thing. You should be eating 60% of your calories should be carbs, 25% should be protein, 15% should be fat. And you're saying to me, hey, Coach, man, that's a whole lot of carbs. Well, no, it's not. See, the thing is, I'm going to teach you guys what a caloric deficit is on another video. And as long as you stay in that caloric deficit, meaning that you are taking in less calories, you are burning more calories than you are taking in, you will be okay. Which means if you are eating all of your calories and they came from Snickers bars, as long as you burn more calories than you took in with those Snickers bars, you are going to lose weight, even if they are carbs. So that is a myth. So do not ever get rid of your carbs. You need more carbs than protein, actually. As far as protein is concerned, you really only need 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight that you hope to be, because anything else, you're going to secrete it out of your body. So guys, hey, I'm going to get back with you when I heat up this bowl of oatmeal, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to it next. Have a good one. Okay, guys, we're back. The oatmeal is done, as you see. Boom. Great oatmeal. This honey right here is a good natural sweetener. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of honey on it. Just a little bit of honey. Boom, 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 boom. that up. We're gonna mix that up. We're gonna mix that up, guys, and we're gonna enjoy that with what? A nice bottle of water. I told you guys how important your water is, guys. Now, there you have it. You've seen breakfast today. We got some nice oatmeal. You know, we got some water. Definitely got some egg whites coming. They're still boiling, so I didn't even see no sense in even showing those. Every meal you should be having a carb and a protein for every meal, and it's not hard. If a lot of you guys don't like oatmeal, you could eat cream of wheat. You could have grits. You can have all that good stuff. But it's best to eat your carbs earlier in the day so that you are burning them off. And see, what most of you guys do is you wait till nighttime for your biggest meal. You've been at work all day, you're tired, you don't want to cook. Now 6, 7, 8 o'clock, and you're eating this big old steak and you're eating this big old hamburger, and then you're laying down and going to sleep. That will do nothing but put weight on your body, guys. So you want to eat your last meal about 6 o'clock, but then, so you're nice and fasted, and wake up and get you some nice little oatmeal, something that's going to fill you up for the day, right? You know, with a protein, egg whites. I don't do the bacon. You know, you could do turkey bacon if you want, but I tend to do egg whites or eggs or some type of chicken. You know what I'm saying? Because you definitely need your protein and you need a carb at every single meal. So guys, hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm trying to show you from A to Z how to transform your body. And notice, I haven't even stepped in the gym yet because as I said, your water, your mental, your food is 90% of this game. All this is a psychological game, people. And what I need you to do is not to quit. If you out here overeating, if you have a problem overeating, when you go out to dinner, tell the waiter immediately, hey, put half of my food in a to-go box. Because when you go out to eat, those are too many. That's too much food anywhere on your plate. Can you dig what I'm saying? So you tell them to put half of it in a to-go box. And the smaller portions that you eat, the smaller your stomach will become, which means the fuller you will get quicker. And then therefore you will start to transform your body, especially once we implement the gym. See, losing weight is the easy part. It's about how you want your body to look. That's why I'm concentrating on our body transformation, not how much we weigh. But other than that, guys, if you like this content, man, and you like this One Stack Fitness and you love where it's going and you want to be a part of it and you want to be interactive, you want to sit on the panels when I go live, you want to give me your success stories, you guys want to have open chat forums, let me know because it is coming soon, guys. And other than that, man, have a beautiful day. Put God first and remember, choose you first, because hey, there's only one you. You got one life to live. So you don't want to live it sitting in a wheelchair. You don't want to live it missing out on stuff because you're scared to take your shirt off. You don't want to miss it because you're scared to get in the gym. You don't want to miss it because you're too big to get into a seat on the airplane. You don't want to miss it because you're scared to leave the house because you have gotten bigger than you normally get. Guys, I was 340 pounds 1 year ago. I'm only 5'8", okay? I was a big fat dude, but guess what? I still had the same attitude until I started looking at some pictures of myself. And now I'm still not where I want to be, but I'm about 80% there, man. You know, I'm not doing too bad. This channel is for people who don't have a perfect body. I don't have a perfect body. We're not trying to create the perfect body. We're just trying to create some habits that are going to help you transform your mind, body, and soul one day at a time. But you guys can't quit on me, because if you're quitting on me, you're quitting on yourself first. But other than that, you have a blessed day. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell.